Bog down, uncovered. Dive deep into its meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and we will be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, bog down. If you've ever felt stuck or slowed down in certain situations, this phrase might just resonate with you. Let's get started. A bog is a wetland or marsh with very soft ground. If you've ever tried walking through a bog, you'll know it's not easy. Your feet sink into the mud, making movement slow and difficult. This gives rise to the term, bog down. When something is bogged down, it's as if it's stuck in a bog, struggling to move forward. In everyday language, bog down is often used figuratively. When we say someone or something is bogged down, we don't literally mean they are stuck in a swamp. Instead, it indicates that a person or project is stuck or slowed down due to complications or challenges. Someone is overwhelmed with too much work or information. Examples: 1. The project got bogged down due to unexpected technical issues. 2. She felt bogged down by the number of assignments she had to complete. Understanding synonyms can help reinforce the meaning of bog down. Here are a few: stalled, hindered, obstructed, impeded. For instance, the project was stalled due to unexpected technical issues, conveys a similar sentiment as the first example in the previous section. Engaging in conversations using bog down can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a couple of scenarios to give you context. 1. At work, we need to streamline our processes. Too many steps are bogging us down. 2. In personal life, I'd love to hang out, but I'm bogged down with errands today. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. The next time you feel overwhelmed or slowed by challenges, you now have the perfect phrase to describe it: bog down. Remember, English is filled with colorful expressions, and by understanding and using them, you can make your conversations more vivid and engaging. Hope this video has been helpful, and happy learning!